Today I am so excited to share with you my amazing, delicious and healthy kale salad. As we all know, kale is one of the top superfoods on this planet. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamin A, vitamin B, C, calcium, magnesium, vitamin K2 that boosts the bone density, and name it. Superfood. The problem with kale is it tends to be a little bit bitter and a lot of people don't like to eat it. Today I'm going to share with you how I created a delicious, amazing superfood salad that everybody will love it. It's crunchy, creamy, and fruity that make this salad out of this world. So let's get started. Place 1 cup of sliced almond on a frying pan and toast them on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes till it's slightly golden. Transfer them to a dish to cool down. With the same frying pan, add 1 cup of pecans and toast them as well. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Transfer them to a cutting board and chop them to coarse pieces. Almond and pecan add a great flavor and a crunchy texture to our salad. Before you start, you need to rinse and dry the kale very well. We need to separate the stem from the leaf because it's tough and bitter. Hold the kale in one hand and with the other hand use your fingers to press and drag it down and away to separate it from the stem. For this salad, you can use any type of kale of your choice. Today I chose the curly one, which is my favorite. Cut the leaf to bite-sized pieces. At this point, you want to wear gloves. We need to massage the kale to break down the fiber cell to make it easier to chew and digest. By adding 3 tablespoons or so of extra virgin olive oil, we massage the kale very well till it's soft and tender. It will get darker in color, wilt, and lose its volume. For a delicious fruity flavor, we cut 2 mangoes to cubes. Did you know that mango is another superfood? It's rich with antioxidants that boost our immune system, detox our body, and contain beta-carotene that boosts the production of vitamin A for anti-aging. Loaded with fiber that help lower high cholesterol. Cut to quarter 10 ounces of well-rinsed strawberries. For a creamy flavor, I use 8 ounces of goat cheese. If you're not a fan of goat cheese, use any cheese of your choice, like Feta cheese or blue cheese. For assembling the salad, layer the ingredients but leave some for garnish. Add zest of half a lemon for extra boost. For the dressing, use a jar and squeeze half a lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey to balance the acidity, pinch of Himalayan salt or regular salt, pinch of coarse black pepper, and shake well till everything emulsifies to a creamy dressing. dressing. Pour half of the dressing and mix gently. Then layer the rest of the ingredients and don't mix again, just before serving for a better presentation. And now you have a majestic, beautiful superfood salad, delicious and healthy, that everyone will love. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to me. Please don't forget to leave me a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.